Monsieur Danuly. Mano tėtė Amerikos, žinai, kaip vadino, ne Arvidas, o Arvy.
Arvy?
Arvy.
What's Arvy?
My dad's name is like full name in Lithuanian language. Sorry, it's Arvidas, and in America, all the people were calling him Arvy.
But you said you were watching basketball, yes?
A long time ago.
Yeah, long time is 5 years.
I'm older than that, like 10 years ago.
But you still have Milk Trail Blazers.
Oh yeah.
And their center player from Lithuania.
Jonas Valančiūnas.
No, Arvydas Sabonis.
Ah, sorry.
Those times, 10 years.
He's in Toronto Raptors. Sorry, I'm just working in a sports.
Jonas Valančiūnas is a young guy.
You're just motoring us, that's all.
Huh?
She's just being the motorboat.
Ah, okay, she has to go. Aš tau galiu padėti biškį.
Mažiukai nereikia man padėti. Viskas gerai, žinok, tu mane labai spardai labiau.
Spardai? Nespardai, aš tau reikia.
Iš meilės viskas. Mažiukai, man taigi viskas tvarkoje. Galiu pakasyti nugarytę.
Oi, Tonia, aš jau kasau, bet...
Tik labai nekasyk, nes labai lupuosi, žinok. Kasyk žemiau geriau. Nu nedaryk, mažiukai, nes visiškai nusilupsiu.
Taigi aš be nagų ne.
Ai, gerai. O čia matai, kas yra?
Oho.
Susidomėjai?